For months now, rumors and leaks surrounding the highly anticipated DJI Pocket 4 have been spreading across the tech community like wildfire, with drone enthusiasts, vloggers, cinematographers, travel filmmakers, and everyday creators all trying to predict exactly when DJI will finally unleash their next-generation pocket camera powerhouse. Because this device isn't just another camera gadget. It's expected to be a major evolution in the compact gimbal camera series that began with the Osmo Pocket and continued with the Pocket 2 and Pocket 3. And while early whispers pointed to a potential fall 2025 launch window, somewhere around October or November, other industry insiders suggested a much longer delay, speculating that based on DJI's historical product cycle and the current tension surrounding DJI's presence in the US market, the Pocket 4 could slip into late 2026 or even early 2027. But recently, a particular date has been gaining a lot of traction: December 18, 2025. And even if that exact day ends up shifting slightly, all signs point to December being a critical and extremely likely release timeframe, not only because holiday season sales would help DJI capture huge attention and boost revenue during one of the biggest tech buying periods of the year, but also because there's a far bigger, more serious deadline hanging right over DJI's future. And it has everything to do with the 2025 National Defense Authorization Act, which gives the FCC until December 23, 2025, to determine whether US national security agencies will conduct an official audit on DJI. And if none of those agencies step in by that deadline, DJI products could automatically be added to an FCC blacklist that would severely impact certifications and drastically restrict future US sales. And considering the United States represents nearly 40% of DJI's global consumer revenue, a move like that would create massive financial repercussions and potentially change the landscape of handheld content creation cameras forever. Which is why launching the DJI Pocket 4 before December 23 is not just a business decision. It's a strategic survival move that could secure approvals and maintain distribution for years to come, effectively making this launch DJI's final major push before things become significantly more complicated. And the intensity behind this timing becomes even more obvious when looking at recent leaks revealing that field testing on the Pocket 4 has already begun, with testers spotted using pre-production models outdoors, and reports hinting that mass production may already be underway, meaning DJI is much closer to an official unveiling than many skeptics expect. And now that we have a strong understanding of when this exciting compact shooter might arrive, let's dive into what creators can expect inside this tiny but incredibly advanced cinematic tool. Because the DJI Pocket 4 is rumored to introduce a powerful dual camera system featuring a cutting-edge 1-inch CMOS main sensor, possibly enhanced through Hasselblad color science like DJI has implemented in their flagship drones, and paired with a secondary telephoto lens using a high-resolution 50-megapixel Omni-Vision sensor, giving filmmakers improved depth perception, stronger subject tracking, optical zoom flexibility, portrait-style compression, and the ability to switch focal lengths without sacrificing stabilization performance. And while the rear display might not grow significantly in size, leaks suggest a huge boost to brightness, somewhere around 800 nits or higher, to maintain outdoor visibility in harsh sunlight, alongside rumors of an additional front-facing display like what we've seen in hybrid vlogging cameras. So the Pocket 4 might finally give vloggers easy framing without needing accessories or awkward guessing, plus connectivity upgrades such as blazing fast Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2 for more stable wireless audio and remote controls. And enhanced USB-C PD charging for quicker top-ups during travel shoots, while the battery capacity is reportedly receiving a solid improvement as well, though the overall body design may become slightly taller and a bit heavier due to the new dual sensor and larger battery setup. But the leaked images still show a super sleek, premium, pocket-friendly build that continues the signature mini gimbal camera design creators love. And what makes this model even more intriguing is the possibility of two distinct versions at launch. Perhaps a standard Pocket 4 and a more feature-packed Pocket 4 Pro, giving users the ability to choose based on their production needs and budget. with pricing rumors indicating the standard model could land somewhere around $699 to $799 USD, while a fully loaded Pro edition might reach around $899 or more, especially if DJI includes professional-grade ND filters, a stronger telephoto, advanced low-light software processing, improved microphones, and possibly internal storage options that go beyond previous models. And when we put together everything that has leaked so far, regulatory timing urgency, mass production indicators, product testing sightings, and several spec disclosures, it becomes clearer than ever that December 2025 is the month every Pocket Series fan should circle on their calendar, because this could mark the beginning of DJI's next major leap in handheld filmmaking technology. And if these reports hold true, the Pocket 4 won't just be a refresh. It will be the most complete content creator camera ever made that fits literally into the palm of your hand, perfect for YouTube, travel adventures, TikTok, cinematic B-roll, sports capture, documentary-style storytelling, and on-the-go stabilization that previously required bulky rigs or expensive cameras. So while we do still have some waiting left before the official announcement drops, everything is pointing to an extremely exciting reveal packed with innovation and clever design. And if you don't want to miss a single update, new leak, breakdown, spec confirmation, hands-on review, or comparison with the Pocket 3 and Pocket 2, make sure you stick around right here, because there is so much more DJI Pocket 4 news coming soon, and trust me, you'll want to be here for all of it as we follow the countdown toward what could easily be one of the most game-changing camera launches in the entire compact creator tech industry.